Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Kevin Tate and today I'd like to give an overview of the Donastar filter systems. I'm going to start with the key, the abbreviation key on the upper left side here. Hopefully you can see the cursor. And again, this is the Donastar commercial water filter systems that they offer. You can see over on the right, they have their contact information there. Um, I will provide the number and the link for the website down below in the description. So be sure to check that out. Click the link and go on there and check out these filter systems. Basically, today I just want to go over the key to break down the abbreviations that are in the filter series descriptions in the body of the document here. So I'm going to start on the upper left and we'll start with the CTO abbreviation, which is chlorine, taste, and odors. You have P1, which equals particulates, class 1 particulates, which would be 0.5 to 1 micron in size. Then you have TSS, which is total suspended solids. Then you have CLM, which is chloramine. So those are the abbreviations that you will find in the Donastar filter series chart. And this will help you to be able to choose the correct filter system for whatever system you're using it for, ice maker or soda machine or Slurpee machine, coffee brewer, anything like that. And let me just go down into the body of the document, and this will break down all of the different series of filters that they have. They have the 14 series, 15 series, 30 series, 34 series, 35 series, 36 series, 41 series, 50 series, and then they have drop-ins and pre-filters and so on. And on the reductions and description section, that's where it will get into displaying the different abbreviations to let you know what those filters cover. You know what they it gives you a brief description of what they cover in that description section. Then you have um, your size, your size of microns that it filters, the length. It's good to know the length ahead of time so you can, if you're doing a survey, site survey, you'll be able to figure out if a certain filter will be able to fit in there or not. It breaks down your pressures, temperature, CTO, capacity, CPO levels, and it goes on from there. And then down below your filter series section, which is right here, you have your manifolds. It'll give you a breakdown of their manifolds along with the part numbers. So you have a high flow single stage manifold, a high flow dual stage manifold, a high stage triple stage manifold. Um, then they have a high flow quad stage manifold and a smart tap single stage manifold. So you'll be able to look into each of those, and it would give you would have a good idea on what type of filters you will need. And like I said, I will leave this link for Donastar in the description. Be sure to go on and check them out. This gives you a good breakdown of information on these filters to let you know um, most of the information on what you're going to be looking for. So be sure to check that out and get familiar with those filter systems, because they are good systems, and in comparison to other filter systems, these are very good, very good systems to work with, no doubt. And these are Donastar commercial water filtration systems. They're manufactured by Nephros, and again, I'll leave the contact information that you see up here. I'll leave that in the description. Be sure to check it out and give me some feedback on it if you do get a chance to place an order and install these systems. Feel free to give me some feedback and comments on how the install went for you, um, how it how it felt as far as um, simplicity on assembling the system, and if you had um, received a kit, did you receive your full kit, stuff like that. Yeah, just give me a little feedback on it. I'm interested to know like how it's working out for everyone with these filter systems. So that's all I have for now, everyone. This was just a quick overview on the Donastar filter systems. Hopefully you can go ahead and hit that link, check out or call the number, and see if you can, place your order. I'd like to thank you all for watching. That's all I have. I thank all of the channel members and the website members. Thank you all for your support, and thank you for your questions and your comments as well. Keep them coming. Um, that's all I got. Take care, everyone. Be well.